Hi friends, Rahmat here. I'm just going to be making a circle card using the big floral background stamp. I already have it on the MISTI. I'm just going to cut it in circle later, so this one, and I'm just going to use VersaFine watermarking. It's going to take a while for this thing to be inked up completely. It's a very big stamp and very intricate design, so inking is one of the biggest challenge here. And that's not it. See, use what I mean. Okay, so the embossing powder I'm going to use is Wow embossing powder, fluorescent blue. I just thought it would be fun to use a blue powder on a blue cardstock. It's a cardstock is from CrafTangles navy blue cardstock. Yeah, it has ink. Looks quite good. Quite happy how it looks. Here it is. What I'm going to do is I have these circle dies and from VR memory keepers, nestle dies, and I'm just going to get my card out just like this. So okay, so what I did was I just cut it out, but what has happened is actually my design was not okay. So I'm just going to tie the ribbon and get on with the card. It looks actually quite good. Just a little bit loose so that we can flip it. Just make my card in this direction instead of sideways. Yeah, I think this one makes much more sense to me personally. Okay, so I've just got glossy paper. Actually, I've recycled this paper and I'm just cut some alphabets here. The alphabets are from memory box. So I'm just going to do that. I just didn't wanted anything. I kind of wanted something which would merge in. So these are the colors I chose. And I'm just going to stamp and finish off the sentiment on another strip of paper. I've just finished adding the sentiment here. The die cut sentiment, and I'm just going to now go and stamp. Let me just do that. Okay, I'm just going to stamp happy birthday wishes from this everyday sentiments. Okay, just adding it up with a foam adhesive. So that's it. This is the card. I will just later on add another layer in here, but for time being this is what it is. The full stamp did nothing but just embossed it using Wow embossing powder and some die cut sentiment and some stamped sentiment, and nothing much is done here actually. I wanted to give the whole stamp the full focus here, so I was just thinking how can I use this full stamp, because it was such a beautiful stamp and I just didn't want it to use part of it. So I'm quite happy how it has come out and the colors look gorgeous. So that's it, and I hope you let me know what you think of it. Thank you for watching.